Hi, my name is Christopher Juliartha Tandjung. I'm from Rand School of Business, and now I'm going to present about my research about Bitcoin. How can it disrupt traditional finance and redefine economic landscape in Indonesia? Okay, these are the contents. These are the contents. The first is introduction. The second is literature review and research objective. The third is methodology. The fourth is the result finding, and the fifth is conclusion. So first, we are gonna talk about the introduction of the research. So what is cryptocurrency? Basically, cryptocurrency is a digital or a virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank or government. So this is called a decentralized system. Bitcoin is the pioneer of all cryptocurrency. It was created in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto. And other cryptocurrencies are called altcoins. So next, we're going to talk about blockchain technology, which is the foundation of all cryptocurrency. So it is a secure database shared across a network of participants. Blockchain provides transparency and immutability of transactions, and it underpins the functionality of cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrency adoption is growing over the years. Currently, only 4.5% of the global population are currently invested in cryptocurrency. There will be some significant potential for growth and mass adoption. And in 2023, there are many financial institutions that are already investing in cryptocurrency. So we're gonna expect a boom in 2004 due to regulatory clarity and reduced stigma. And Bitcoin, a leading indicator, the price of Bitcoin surged 178% from the previous year as of March 3, 2004. And many analysts predict continue of the price of the Bitcoin. And early investor and or early miners are getting the benefit of their investment early. So the future of finance, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are reshaping the financial industry, and decentralization is a key driver of this transformation. The integration of cryptocurrency into global finance system is very high. Next, we're gonna talk about the research objective. So in this research, we are gonna analyze cryptocurrency and how can it change the current financial system in this world. First of all, this research will discuss and explain how and can cryptocurrency disrupt the current traditional financial system, often known as banking. This research will also focus on the euphoria of cryptocurrency trading and investing. How does cryptocurrency affect the way people invest nowadays and the impact on the financial economy market? The last is that this research is going to explain the prospect for cryptocurrency in the future, and will it or can it replace the current fiat money in the world? So this is the literature review. The first is Bitcoin white paper. So in 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto made a white paper about Bitcoin, and there are four main points about the white paper. First is decentralization. Bitcoin aims to eliminate the need for trusted third parties in transaction. The second is blockchain, a distributed timestamp server record transaction chronologically, ensuring transparency and security. The third is proof of work, where miners verify and add new blocks to the blockchain, securing the network and earning rewards. The fourth is network nodes, maintaining a copy of the blockchain, ensuring decentralization and data integrity. And the fifth is flexibility. Bitcoin can handle various financial transactions due to its divisibility and combinability. So the second literature review is cryptocurrency as an investment instrument. So investment potential, cryptocurrency offers high potential returns, but also high risk due to the volatility. And there are also the market dynamics, where cryptocurrency markets are smaller and more volatile than the traditional stock markets. The third is Bitcoin performance. Bitcoin has shown substantial price increase, but past performance is not indicative to the future results. And the risk and reward. The high volatility in cryptocurrency market can lead to both high gains or high losses. Okay, Bitcoin Gold 2.0, gold standard. So gold has historically been a hedge against inflation due to its scarcity and stability. Bitcoin can also be seen as a digital gold, where Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins and have a halving mechanism which creates scarcity like gold. So Bitcoin has a potential to be the hedge of inflation, and it may replace gold as an inflation hedge. But still, the volatility and regulatory uncertainty remains a challenge, a big challenge. Okay, next, the future of cryptocurrency. Since the regulatory is still uncertain, the future of cryptocurrency is still highly influenced by the government regulation and policies. So it coexisted with fiat. Cryptocurrency may coexist with the traditional fiat currencies, complementing and helping each other out. CBDC, or known as central bank digital currencies, governments are exploring CBDCs as a digital form of fiat money and Ripple and cross-border payment. So there's a cryptocurrency called Ripple or XRP, and it focuses on the efficient and low-cost international transactions. And collaboration, maybe in the future, there will be some collab between cryptocurrencies and the traditional financial system. Okay, in this research, we're gonna use qualitative, and the source of data is academic journal, academic articles, secondary data, and interviews. The data analysis will be conducted by gathering and analyzing secondary data that are found, and the secondary data will serve as a foundation for the primary data. The primary data will be from the interview conducted by two cryptocurrency investors. So these are the findings. Okay. The first finding is disrupting the traditional financial system. So in the current system or the traditional system, if we want to send money from New York to Paris, it involves multiple banks and have a really high cost. Yeah. And the transaction is slow. It's not instant. It can take hours or days, and there's a fee. It is expensive because there are the intermediary banks when you do a transaction between across countries because it's not as simple as like sending money from bank A to bank B, but there is a intermediary banks like there's maybe bank AB, bank BC before it reaches to bank C, and that causes it to be slow and have high fee. So, blockchain created by Satoshi Nakamoto, so blockchain is the technology of Bitcoin. This eliminates intermediaries in transaction. For example, if Adam want to send money to Eve, Adam only need to know if a wallet address. And this decentralized system means no intermediaries are involved, enhancing higher security. And Castellini, 2021, explained that transactions are verified by multiple participants, making the system transparent and secure. So blockchain feature a public ledger where every transaction is documented and accessible. Data on the blockchain cannot be erased or edited, ensuring immutability. Transparency ensures all participants have the same access to information, and auditing is far easier due to transparent and immutable records. So Bitcoin goes halving every 4 years. When there's halving, the miners' rewards are cut in half. So this event limits the Bitcoin supply to only 21 million, with the predicted all Bitcoin supplies to be in the market, that is by 2140. And this system makes a Bitcoin prevents it from inflation. And the decentralized system means no single entity controls Bitcoin. preventing manipulation. Okay, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as an investment in Indonesia. So BPT, the organization that supervise crypto, I mean commodity future trading, reported an increase in crypto investor in Indonesia. In January, there are 18.8 million, and most of them are aged 18 to 24. So when I interview Bagas and Divan, they said that they invest in crypto because of their high risk and high return. They say that because they're at a young age, they have a high risk tolerance, and they believe that Bitcoin will have a price increase uh, after the halving event in April. And after the Bitcoin halving, usually altcoin will have a growth in the price, and these two investor makes the investment because of that. So Divan plans to take profits and short the market, while Bagas plans to exit and return in 2027. Because after halving and altcoin season, they're usually a bear market, and we need to have strategies to gain our biggest profit. But in young, they say that young Indonesians are having a problem because they are FOMO, fear of missing out. And Bagas and Divan really emphasize the importance of researching because usually Indonesian people, especially young Indonesian people, they don't do research before they buy the coins, and usually they will lose high amount of money. Okay, next feature of the cryptocurrency. So currently in 2024, the Bitcoin ETF has been applied by the SEC. This causes many financial institutions, big financial institutions, to invest in Bitcoin. And currently, the Ethereum ETF are also in the market. So this will lead a high demand of ETF, BTC, Bitcoin, and ETH ETF. And BlackRock is one of them, which is a very high uh, financial institution. So many countries are working on CBDC to replace fiat money, like Colombia, Bhutan, Montenegro, and they usually collab with CBDC Ripple XRP because CBDC are cheaper, faster, and more efficient than physical cash. So example is a US company can use XRP to send payments to a supplier in China, to avoiding multiple steps and fees associated with the traditional method. This process saves time, reduces cost, and improve the payment experience. So this is a win-win solution for countries and cryptocurrency if they can collaborate and make a more efficient financial system. So the conclusion, based on the findings, it is clear that the emergence of Bitcoin is an innovative thing in the world of finance. The blockchain technology gives people easier, cheaper, and more comfortable option in doing financial transaction. It focuses on being decentralized, where not a single entity have the control of Bitcoin. And in Indonesia, crypto has been a very trending topic. It is recorded that in Indonesia, it is the seventh most crypto investor, so very high amount. So, but we need to remember when investing, we need to have research, have a good conviction and a strategy. And the future is very good because financial institution has been joining, and because of the Bitcoin ETF, the industry is very bright. So there are also many interesting crypto projects in the future, and we can see crypto making a growth in the future. Thank you.